Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to make a super healthy quinoa veggie bowl with a zesty lemon-tahini dressing. It's perfect for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, and it's absolutely delicious. First things first, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need half a cup of cooked quinoa, 1 cup of steamed broccoli, half a cup of cherry tomatoes cut in half an avocado sliced, and a 1/4 cup of chickpeas, either cooked or canned and rinsed. Now that we have everything, let's start assembling our bowl. Begin with the cooked quinoa as your base. Next, add the steamed broccoli, followed by the juicy cherry tomatoes. Place the avocado slices on top and sprinkle those nutritious chickpeas around. Alright, now for the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of tahini, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 minced garlic clove, and a splash of water to thin it out. You want it smooth and creamy. Drizzle this tangy lemon-tahini dressing all over your bowl, making sure every ingredient gets a bit of that yummy goodness. And there you have it, a vibrant, diabetes-friendly quinoa veggie bowl that's bursting with flavor and nutrients. Perfect for keeping your blood sugar levels stable and your taste buds happy. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching and take care.